Hey guys, Motorcarnut here, and today we're going to reset the Service Now light on the VW. This is the CC, Passat CC. Yours looks like this. Some of the Volkswagens I have a reset on the Tiguan. It's a little bit different. You want to check that video out. But this is a CC, and what you do is you turn the car on. And see it says Service Now. Now, that means a lot of things. That could mean, like, you service the oil or other things. So you don't just want to reset it and forget it. But if you did, you know your car's up to maintenance and everything, and you want to reset that, I'll show you how to do it. First, you got to shut the car off. All right, just put it on. Okay. And if yours doesn't have controls on the steering wheel, so it's going to be a little bit different. It's going to be on the stalk. But this one is for the steering wheel mounted ones. All right, so you're going to want to hit the OK button. Not the OK button, I'm sorry, the side button over here. All right, let's go over here, show you what I'm doing. And over here, you're just going to use the down button to scroll all the way down until you see Service. Then hit OK. Okay, and then you just hit Reset. And you press the OK. And you really want to reset it, I guess we say OK. And that's it. So now, you just go all the way back. All right, shut the car off. All right, put it back on and start it. And now let's check. Hey, you see? No more Service Now. And that's how you do it. All right, guys, Motorcarnut, please subscribe, hit the like button. Any questions pertaining to the video, leave the questions. I answer all my questions on every video I have. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you very much for watching.